So, good morning, uh, everyone. Here is Dr. Anil Sau. On behalf of Sweta, I am going to discuss minor project presentations on the topic of implementations of adaptive FIR filters using Vedic multipliers. So now this is the topic overview which I am going to be discuss. First one is about adaptive filters. What do you mean by the adaptive filters? These things we will discuss. The adaptive filter is has an adoption algorithms that is meant to monitor the environments and vary the filters transfer function accordingly. So adaptive filters, the basic operations now involve two process. The basic process involve two process actually. This process is the signal. This process is first one is a filtering process which produce an output signals in a response to given input signals, and adoption process which aims to adjust the filter parameters, filter transfer functions to the means possibility time varying environments, and often the average which is square of the error signal used to optimize the criteria. Now this is the application of adaptive filter. From figure we can see that we are applying the system inputs to the plant, and we are getting the output as a system outputs. In between the input and output, feedback path is there, and which is connected with the adaptive filters. So adaptive filter will adopt the situations algorithms, and according to that it will produce accurate outputs. So now application of adaptive filter is inverse modeling. Here we can see that we can do the inverse modelings used to provide an inverse model for unknown plant of the applications. Now some of the other applications for adaptive filter is that use the to provide the predictions of present value of a random signals. Now here you can see that from the figures we are predicting the output 1 with respect to feedback output 2. So here we can predict, we can here we can predict output, here we can predict outputs, and like application of adaptive filters, interference collections, so used to cancel unknown interference from the primary signals, which is echo or noise cancellations, hand-free car phone and aircraft headphones. Now here you can see that example of these acoustic echo signals adaptive filter is used. So these are the filter algorithms. This is shown here. Now come to the diagram and notation of adaptive filters. X n number of discrete values is applied to the FIR filters, and it will produce white samples, and reference signal is applied to the summer circuits, and it will produce error signal. This error signal is again going to apply a feedback, and here feedback adoption calculation of adoption coefficient can be calculated and sent back into the FIR filter as a new coefficient, and this process is going on. Now FIR having a traversal FIR kind of structures. In that traversal FIR filters we can implement FIR. So here a multiplier and adder is used, and delay model is used. Now what is the involving of what is the purpose of Vedic multiplier? For fast multiplication is very important. We know in a DSP for convolution and Fourier transform, a fast method for multiplications based on the ancient Indian Vedic multiplication is proposed in this paper. Among the various methods of multiplication in Vedic multiplication, Urdhva Trimbakam is discussed in these papers. Now come to the Urdhva Trimbakam Vedic multiplication methods. So step 1 involving multiplication process. So first step 1 what we are doing, Suppose we have to multiply 3 to 5 from 738. What we can do, we can first of all multiply 5 with 8, then it's 40. The return is 40, so you can put 0 here, and 4 is the carry. Second unit, we can multiply multiply your multiply your 5 with 3, 15, and 2 into 8, 16, 16, 16 plus 15, that is 31, and carry is a 4. So after adding we will get 35. So again 5 is there and 3 is again carry. Again we multiply left to right, right to left, and top to bottom. We are getting 65, carrying 3, again 68. Here 6, 8 is a digit and 6 is carry. Again step 4, what we are doing, we are cross multiplying from last to first and first to last. 3 into 3, 9, plus 2 into 7, brought 23, plus carry 6. Now we are getting carry 2 again here. Substitute 9. Step 5, that is 7 into 3, 21, plus 2, that is 23. So overall multiplication is through 239850. So for this multiplication architecture is like this. And for Vedic multiplications, 4 bit, we can use a 2 cross 4 multiplier, and along with the carry look ahead adder circuits. 8 bit multiplier also we can add, and we can design 16 bit, 32 bits, and for 62 bit, 64 bits. So 64 bit we can implement from 32 bit, and 32 bit we can implement from 16 bit, and 16 bit Vedic multiplier we can implement from 8 bit. So like this we can implement, and this is the result we are getting from the Xiren for a LMS filters. Now conclusion is that the presented adaptive LMS filters system is responsible for providing the best solutions for realization and automation adoption of FIR filter. These are my reference which I have selected. Thank you. Is there any queries?